here's Jane checking out our new penguin mat at about 8.5 months old. Let's see if she'll do it again. Hey, Jane. Jane. Hi, babies.
What are you doing?
Did you see our penguin down here? Did you see our penguin? Penguin kisses. Say penguin kisses. And the raspberries. Jane. 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 Baby girls.
What are you doing? Here.
Baby girls.
Up, up.
Baby girls. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.